Welcome to the Black Panther rebuild series. This is my very first car. It's an Opel Corsa 1.7 GTI, a 2005 model. Cool fact is that this car was bought by my mom as our very first car back in 2005, and I started being the sole owner of the car around 2016, and I've been driving this car since then. This is a 1.7 DTI engine. So what I want to do is I want to do a full engine swap and make this car a sleeper. So the main goal or the main purpose of this rebuild is to make this car faster than a Golf 7 GTI or a Golf or a Polo GTI. So please follow me in this series and please try to guess down in the comments which engine will I be putting inside this car, and the correct person who guesses the correct engine will get something. So basically, as you can see, this car has been here for like since December. I think it died somewhere in December the 15th or the 18th. So I just was raising funds for it, but now I think I have the actual funds to rebuild this car. So the tow truck will be coming to take this car, and I'll be taking you guys through the journey of the full rebuild of this car. So let me show you quickly the interior. It's a mess. It's a big mess. So as you can see, this is the interior of the car. The number plate is just all over the place, papers all over the place, and yeah, it's a manual car. It's a 1.7 diesel. Let me just give you a hint. It will be a petrol engine. So yeah, please take a guess, guys, of what engine will I be putting inside this car, and the build will be taking around 2 to 3 weeks, somewhere there.
12 seconds later.
The tow truck didn't even waste time. He came in the same day and towed my car. So I just have this sad feeling every time my car gets towed. And in this case, I'm not supposed to be sad because my car will come back faster, and this will be gapping Golf 7 GTIs. Okay, let me just tell you quickly why I have beef with a Golf 7 GTI. So I used to own a Renault Megane GT, and on paper, it's supposed to be faster than a Golf 7 GTI, but they used to give me dundas left, right, and center.
Earlier that day.
So the Black Panther is about to become the Jesus of my Renault Megane GT. I miss that car, man. Damn.